The moon is a massive rock that brightens our nights and even shifts colors. But what if it suddenly vanished? Would we all have to rely on night vision goggles? How would its absence affect ocean tides, our seasonal changes, and even our sleep cycles? Or would the consequences be far more drastic? This is ThinkX, and today we're exploring what would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared. As Earth's closest celestial neighbor, the moon's gravitational pull plays a crucial role in shaping what happens on our planet. Take the oceans, for instance. If you enjoy surfing, you have the moon to thank. Its gravitational influence pulls on our spinning Earth, causing high tides in some regions and low tides in others. While the wind gives waves their energy, tides are responsible for shaping them. The moon's pull also keeps Earth's tilt steady at 23.5 degrees, ensuring we have 4 seasons and a stable climate. But what if that balance were suddenly thrown off? If the moon were gone, so would its stabilizing effect on Earth's rotation. Let's start with some good news. The weekend would come a lot sooner. Without the moon, a single day on Earth would be dramatically shortened, lasting only 6 to 8 hours. Over millions of years, the moon's influence on tides has gradually slowed Earth's rotation, giving us the 24-hour days we experience now. But take away the moon, and our planet would start spinning 3 to 4 times faster than it does today. Now for the bad news. This increased speed would bring devastating consequences. Earth's rapid rotation would generate winds reaching 480 kilometers per hour, making survival nearly impossible for birds and insects. Only the sturdiest plants and the smallest, most compact land animals would stand a chance. As for life in the ocean, most marine species would die off. Many sea creatures rely on ocean currents to distribute vital nutrients. But without the moon, these currents would be severely disrupted. We would still have tides, but they'd now be controlled by the sun. However, since the sun is 93 million miles away, these tides would be only 1/3 as strong. And with the moon suddenly gone, ocean waters would be drawn toward the sun, triggering massive waves that would flood coastlines and wipe out thousands of lives. The aftermath wouldn't stop there. Slower moving ocean currents would lead to warmer equatorial waters and freezing polar waters, drastically altering global climate. On land, the effects would be just as severe. Since ocean temperatures influence weather patterns, regions across the planet would experience extreme and unpredictable climate shifts. As if that weren't bad enough, Earth would also become vulnerable to the gravitational influence of other planets like Mars. With the moon no longer holding Earth's tilt in place, our planet's axis could shift unpredictably by as much as 10 degrees, resulting in unbearable seasonal changes. Crops wouldn't survive the dramatic temperature swings, leading to food shortages and a global crisis. Without a stable climate, we'd be thrown into an extreme ice age. Huge glaciers from the North and South poles would expand across the planet, covering nearly everything except for a narrow strip along the equator that might remain habitable. So, while some might associate full moons with werewolves, that's nothing compared to the terrifying alternative of a world without the moon. The next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate its presence. It might just be the reason we're still here.